Hello everyone, today I'm gonna cook celery salad with yogurt. Let's grate the celery first. Another way to chop or grind walnuts is to put them in the blender. If you want, you can chop with a knife. Now add 3 garlic cloves. We should mix well. Believe me, that is really an appetizing salad. Put the grated celery in a bowl. Let's add the mixture we made with walnuts and garlic. Let's squeeze 1 lemon and add it to the salad. Now mix it well, because flavors need to mix well. Add 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. If you want that, you can add some salt. Add 2 teaspoons of Greek yogurt. Mix it well. Because flavors need to mix well. Hey my friends, it only takes minutes to prepare and it is a palate pleaser. If you want, you can garnish with chili peppers and walnuts. Bonepetit! Share your recipes with us.